Here's to home renovation. It's going across the nation. And this is a Kara Dorsey video. Okay guys, I wanted to pause real quick and let you guys know that this is the conclusion to the full home renovation that I did for one of my clients. And this was the first time for me doing an entire home as an interior decorator. It was a really great process, and I wanted to show you the befores and afters and how everything came together and a little bit of the work that I did myself. So thank you guys for watching. Let's get back to it. Now here's what the bedroom looked like before. This is the paint that they did, and this is just how it looked, just so you guys can get an idea of how big of a transformation this space was. Unfortunately, we couldn't change the ceilings, but we did as we did as much as we could to definitely make this space look updated. And here's the room once it got painted. So the walls got painted white, and then I painted the black accent wall. So this is kind of like a progress shot, and then from here you guys will see the final results and a little bit more work that I did. After painting, the bed got delivered, and here's just me putting down the area rug. And I wanted the snake to show because it's a small room, so I was just figuring out what angle that I should lay the rug on before we put it underneath the bed, because once you do that, there's no turning back. We got the rug situated, and then from here it was pretty much time to decorate. So please, again, take a look at the before, the room before the magic. I know you're into this video, but let me know down below if you're gonna want to see more interior design and home decor videos on this channel. Okay, back to what you were watching. So just one more time so you guys can see, here's the front area, the dining room, living room, kitchen area. It literally was all gutted. Well, not gutted, but the ceilings and stuff were damaged by water, so they had to be taken down, and a part of the wall. Here is the bathroom and what it looked like pretty much before any construction had been done, besides putting down the plywood for the floor. But this is where we started, and let me show you all the things that we did to this beautiful home. So let's take it to the bathroom. This is how the bathroom looked partway through the renovation. A few things have been done to update the space, but ultimately it was still not finished. And then in this next clip, you'll see the finished bathroom and what the contractors did. And then you'll see what I did after the contractors were done with their, what they were doing. As you can see, there was no mirror. There was a lot of things that were still wrong with the bathroom, and there was no lighting. So I'll show you guys how I finish out the space. So there's a lot of things the contractors didn't do that they were supposed to. So here you'll see me changing out the old light fixture and getting it ready for the new one. And you'll see me adding the new knobs onto the builder grade vanity. And that green door you seen in the bathroom, here's a clip of me actually painting it. Again, the contractors were supposed to do so many things that they didn't, but I was able to pick up the slack and learn a few new skills along the way. And here's me celebrating getting this mirror up. It took forever and it was a difficult time. So that's just me hyping myself up because I got it done. Just so you can remember, here is the before of the bathroom, what it looked like in its initial state before it got renovated, obviously, and here's the after. Now we're moving on to the last piece, the kitchen and dining room renovation. And here's just some before, some wood I didn't end up using, and just so you guys can get a full picture of what it looked like before we started renovating, and then I came in and did my decorating. And here is the renovated space halfway through. So pretty much the contractors were done doing everything on their end at this point. And it was just time for me to get in and decorate. I also put a few things in the kitchen as well, and I'll talk to you about those. See, those storage cabinets, they had to go, and I'm so proud to say I took them down myself. And here's one of the shelves down, and I had to take the other one down. The footage was just of my butt. It wasn't of any of the action going on with the cabinet, so I did try to take a little after shot so you guys could see the difference. So after the movers moved everything in, this is how the space looked. We had so much to unpack and so many things to still put together and hang up, but this was just a progress shot so you can see how far this room came. And then all that was left for me to do was decorate. And here was the finished coffee, tea, and bar cart area. And next is the dining room area. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. Like I said, this is from last year when I did a client's entire home renovation, and I was scared to put this on the channel. I don't know why, but there's gonna be way more interior design videos coming soon. Still gonna be doing some of the same stuff as I'm doing now, but I really want to get you guys into the design side of this business, of my world. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.